When you look at a small coin like the 5 euro cent, it may seem ordinary, something you might ignore in your pocket. But behind this tiny piece of copper-colored metal lies a fascinating story of European unity, design, and history. Today, we explore the story of the 5 euro cent coin from 2007, a coin that represents much more than just money. The 5 euro cent coin is part of the euro currency system, which is used by many countries across Europe. The euro itself was officially introduced in 1999 as a digital currency, but physical coins and banknotes entered circulation in 2002. This marked a historic moment, as millions of people across Europe began using a shared currency for the first time. The 5 euro cent coin, worth 1/20 of the euro, quickly became one of the most commonly used coins in everyday transactions. Despite its low value, it plays an essential role in daily commerce. The coin is made of copper-plated steel, giving it its distinctive reddish color. It has a diameter of about 21.25 millimeters and weighs just under 4 grams. Wikipedia. Now, let's focus on the year 2007. Interestingly, the 2007 version of the 5 euro cent coin is not a completely new design. In fact, the design remained mostly unchanged from earlier years. This is because, unlike higher-value euro coins, the 1, 2, and 5 cent coins were not redesigned in 2007. Wikipedia. To understand why, we need to look at what happened in Europe during that time. In 2004 and 2007, the European Union expanded, adding new member countries. This expansion required updates to the maps shown on some euro coins. Coins valued at 10 cents and above were redesigned to reflect the new, larger European Union. However, for the smaller coins like the 5 cent, the map design was already subtle and symbolic, so officials decided not to update it. Wikipedia. The reverse side of the coin, the side that is the same across all Eurozone countries, was designed by Belgian artist Luc Louix. His design features a globe showing Europe in relation to Africa and Asia, symbolizing Europe's place in the world. Around the globe are 12 stars, representing unity and harmony among European nations. But what makes euro coins truly unique is their national side. Each country that uses the euro has its own design on one side of the coin. This means that a 5 euro cent coin from Germany looks different from one issued in France or Austria, even though both are valid across all Eurozone countries. For example, German 5 cent coins feature an oak twig, a traditional symbol of strength and stability. Austrian coins display an alpine primrose flower, representing the country's natural heritage and environmental commitment. French coins often show Mary Anne, a symbol of liberty and the French Republic. Coin Database +2. In 2007, many countries continue producing these coins with their established designs. Countries like Germany, Austria, Ireland, and France minted millions of 5 cent coins that year. These coins entered circulation across Europe and became part of everyday life, used in shops, vending machines, and public transport. Another interesting aspect of the 2007 coins is that they reflect a time of transition in Europe. As new countries prepared to join the Eurozone, new national designs were introduced in the following years. Slovenia, for example, joined the Eurozone in 2007 and began issuing its own euro coins, adding to the diversity of designs in circulation. Wikipedia. Despite being widely circulated, most 2007 5 euro cent coins are not considered rare or highly valuable today. Their value is usually close to their face value, unless they are in perfect condition or have unique minting errors. Some coins from certain countries with low mintage numbers can be slightly more valuable to collectors, but overall, they remain common coins. However, their true value lies in what they represent. The 5 euro cent coin is a symbol of unity across nations with different languages, cultures, and histories. It represents cooperation, shared identity, and the idea that countries can come together under a common system. From a collector perspective, these coins are also a gateway into the world of numismatics. Because each country has its own design, collectors often try to gather 5 cent coins from every Eurozone nation. A 2007 coin might be part of a larger collection that tells the story of Europe's growth and change over time. Even the smallest details on the coin have meaning. The 12 stars, for example, are not tied to the number of countries, but instead symbolize perfection and unity. The globe highlights Europe's connection to the rest of the world, while the use of steel and copper reflects modern minting technology. So next time you see a 5 euro-cent coin, especially one from 2007, take a closer look. It's not just loose change. It's a piece of European history, a reminder of economic cooperation, and a symbol of unity across borders.